Hi, this is Tom of the University of Iowa. I'm going to show you how to do a simple sliding knot for mydriasis. This is a patient that had trauma, and you can see we've got the lens in there nicely. And now we're going to do a single interrupted iris suture. We're doing 10-0 proline with a long curved needle. We're going to go through the cornea, through the iris, come out underneath the iris, and then out through the cornea. So a very simple pass here with this long curved needle. Now we've got to reach in there and pull the suture out through a paracentesis. And so we're just going to pull that out. We're going to cut off the needle and let's continue to take that suture all the way out through the paracentesis. So now we have a free end, and we're going to use some visco adhesive here to just hold that suture in place. And now we're going to pull a loop through the same paracentesis. So the key to the sliding knot is to have a free end and a loop that are both through the same incision, in this case a paracentesis. And now we want to make sure that the side that we're going to wrap around is the side that's going to the iris. We're going to come around 3 times. We're going to grab the free end. And now we're going to pull on both sides. And the funnest thing in ophthalmology is this right here, where the iris defect comes together. And because it's 3 passes, it holds it there for you. Now we're going to reach around again, and we're going to grab that loop and pull it out. We're going to get it all tidied up. Make sure we've got the iris on our left, the iris side of that loop on our left. The free end is all teed up and ready to go. And now I typically go 3, 2, 1 when I do this. So in this case, we're just going to go once because it's the last time we're going to do it. We're going to grab that free end. We're going to pull it through. Equally pull them so the knot comes down nice and symmetrically. And now we're done. We're going to use some Duet micro scissors here to cut off the suture. You can leave it long, it's not a big deal. This is Tom Oding at the University of Iowa. Thank you very much.